how do you report spam from your Gmail account? So there's a couple ways you can do that. First, what you can do is just select the emails or a single email. And if you want to report the spam, at the top of your toolbar here, there's a little exclamation point. You can actually click that to report spam. So those conversations will be marked as spam, and then Google will actually keep sending them to that spam folder. The other thing you can do is just right click on emails, and you can go down here to move and move them to spam. And so that's pretty much the same thing. Also, I marked this one as spam, which was maybe not spam, but just a list I could unsubscribe to. And so I could either report this actually as spam, or I can unsubscribe from whatever that newsletter or list is. So if I hit unsubscribe, then I won't get those emails anymore, as Gmail attempts to kind of unsubscribe from that message. So those are a couple ways that you can basically report spam for different messages and start to clean up your inbox here in Gmail.